The Mahogany Series by Pit Boss Grills delivers an unrivaled grilling experience that produces restaurant-quality meals for the best value. The Mahogany Series uses advanced technology, premium craftsmanship, and 100% all-natural hardwood pellet fuel to deliver delicious wood-fired flavor to every meal. Whether you take things low and slow or need dinner done hot and fast, the Pit Boss Mahogany Series gets it done with ease and convenience. The Mahogany Series features a robust lineup that is sure to fit your needs. The 260 Portable, the 820, and the 1000 models each feature our famous 8-in-1 cooking versatility, allowing you to smoke, bake, roast, braise, sear, grill, char grill, or barbecue for your friends and family. If you're looking for a combination grill that can give you the flavor of wood pellets or the convenience of gas, the 1230 pellet and gas combo grill is what you're looking for. Each of these units comes standard with our patented external flame broiler lever, allowing you to go from indirect temperatures to 1000 degrees with a simple pull of a lever. For your next big family cookout, bring the heat with the 5 Series vertical pellet smoker. This 36,000 BTU cooking system offers a whopping 1,657 square inches of cooking space. With a 55-pound hopper, so you can take care of any cooking job, no matter the size. Each unit in the Mahogany Series has an optional custom-fitted cover available to protect against the elements, and proudly offers a best-in-class 5-year warranty for peace of mind. Discover the bigger, hotter, heavier difference today with the Mahogany Series by Pit Boss Grills.